everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today is my Simple Stamping for Beginners. And so I made a card set today, and these are super simple and quick to make. But wouldn't this be cute in a little box for a friend? Now I used the painted glass. This is the stamp set that I used. I love this. This is carrying over into the new catalog. And I'm using this little image here. And I actually used every one of these sentiments. So you can make a complete set and put them in a little box. You can use our acetate boxes and put it in there and decorate it and give it as a little gift. But I thought it would be super pretty and quick and easy for my beginner stampers. So that is what we are using. I'm going to go ahead and make a birthday one, but I'm going to use the Melon Mambo because I had some extra cardstock in that color. So I thought that I'd just go ahead and make the birthday one out of this one. And so you can do whatever colors you like. These are all the Brights collections. So I am using Coastal Cabana, Highland Heather, Melody Mango, or Mango Melody, and Melon Mambo for this set. But aren't those cute? I love this stamp set. And so I thought I would use it for my beginners today. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to use a piece of Melon Mambo. This is for our card base. It's 5.5 by 4 1/4. We're using it opening this way, not sideways, but the top. And then you're going to need a piece of Whisper White. I'm using the thick for this one, and this piece is 3 3/4 by 5. You will need another piece of Melon Mambo. This is for the matting for the sentiment, and it's going to be 1.5 by 4 1/4. And then for the sentiment, another piece of Whisper White that is 1 1/4 by 4 1/4. So that is all you're going to need for that. So let's go ahead and get started with our stamping. We're going to stamp all 3 of these pieces. So I am using Tone on Tone, which is the Melon Mambo on the Melon Mambo. So let me go ahead, and we are going to grab our little image here, and we are going to start stamping. We're going to stamp on and off of this. You want it to look as natural as possible. I got to move these out of the way because I'm going to go off onto this piece of my grid paper here. So we're going to start stamping, and you want to stamp some of it off. So I always say it looks like wallpaper. So we are going to just continue. I'm going to add some little pieces here, and let's see. I'm going to add one little thing here too, just to fill it up. All right, so then also we're going to set that aside. So can you see how it looks more natural for some of it to be off, like you've cut the paper? And then we're going to do the same with this one, just because it adds just a little bit. You don't have to be really particular with this. You can go over the images because this is going to be underneath. It's your matte piece. But I like that it has the same pattern on it. And you could just see a little bit of it, but it's really cute. So I'm going to leave that open, and I'm going to bring in my Memento Black for the sentiment. And we're going to stamp that. And we're going to stamp this right in the center. And it says, "Have a beautiful birthday." And I kind of got that a little bit off, so I'm going to turn it over. That's the good thing about having 2 sides. I love that you have a second chance at these things if you don't get it totally centered. All right, let's do that one more time. There we go. And we're going to put that one away, and I am going to stamp on the sides here just to make everything cohesive. And then we're done with all our stamping. We are ready to put this together. See how easy and quick this can be? And it's really pretty. I love this image. So I'm going to use some snail. We're going to attach the snail. attach this mat piece with snail to the front of the card here. And then we're going to attach this one piece to our little mat piece here. Just center it there. And I have a little overhang, so I'm going to trim that off. And then we are just going to attach this to the front of the card. Just like that. Super quick and easy. And really, this card, it has so much going on with it. It doesn't need any stepping up to me. I just think it's just right with all that it has on here. I wouldn't add any embellishments or anything because I think it just looks really pretty like that. So here are all the other ones that I made. That one is a thank you because it's in this set. But look how pretty. Wouldn't that make a really cute gift? All right, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. Have a blessed one, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'll see you later. Bye.